So this is my Liberty Walk Super Silhouette Mazda RX7. It's the only one in the continent at the moment. It's the only left-hand drive one in the world as well. So it's kind of a one-on-one at the moment. This is the third engine that I put into the car. Two-rotor, single turbo upgrade. It's a 71 millimeter inducer turbo. It's a Garrett G40 1150. Dual external wastegate, dual dump tubes at the front, and it opens up at 7 psi at the wastegate springs. It's very loud when you open the throttle. I love driving this car. Suspension's Prozzi air suspension. It's like a French company. It can like drop all the way to the floor. Right now it's not even dropped. It's not at the lowest setting, so it can go a little bit lower to the frame. Wheels and tire, these are like forged custom Liberty Walk Rohana wheels. They're three-piece. They're 18 by 11 in the rear. And I think I have 315 tires in the back. It's fun. It still handles like a RX7, like surprisingly. A lot of people think that with like the air suspension, like it loses like the RX7 feel, but it still feels like the car I used to drive on the racetrack, you know?